let's do some practice problems. Share my screen. All right, number. We're in 8th period. Today we're going to be calculating speed. And one thing I always tell students is that if you do not show your work, I do not grade your work, okay? It's the same thing as high school. When you get to high school science, if you're not showing your work, they will not grade it, okay? So for example, you're working a speed problem, you just write down 5 meters per second. Well, very good, that's the right answer. However, how do I know how you got that, So you must always show your work if you want to grade it. So let's do a couple practice problems. Just follow along for now. Just like the bell ringer, I want you to do these one step at a time. The first thing you always do is you always write your formula. So let's go ahead and start off with my formula. It says a runner completes a 10-meter dash in 25 seconds. What was his speed? As soon as I see that, what was his speed? I write the speed formula. Speed is equal to distance divided by time. Okay, easy enough. That's the first step. The second step is to put in my numbers. Speed is equal to 100 meters divided by 25 seconds. Okay, see how easy that is? Next thing is I solve it. I'm not teaching you division again, so get out your calculator and put 100 divided by 25, and you'll find out that speed is equal to 4 meters per second. Right there, I'm an A student. I just made an A. See how easy that is? All right, one more time. First thing I do is put in my formula. It says, what is the speed of a horse that travels 250 meters in 2.5 seconds? So I can tell that they're asking me for speed. So first thing I do is write my speed formula. Speed. Why did that one start at the bottom? Speed. This one has a smaller font. Let's up the font on this. All right, so speed is equal to distance divided by time. Oops. All right, now we can put my numbers in. Speed is equal to distance is 250 divided by time, which is 2.5 seconds. I lost my train of thought. 250 meters divided by 2.5 seconds. Again, pull out your calculator. Speed is equal to, and you'll find out 250 divided by 2.5 is 100 meters per second. And again, they do have a problem today that is in miles per hour. Just write MI for miles and HR for hours. But just to let you know that it's not very scientific at all. Okay, so let's go to today's assignment. And we'll do one as a practice. So here's today's assignment. Okay, so here we go. So this is what you're doing for a grade today. I had some students earlier today who were saying that when they opened it, it was blank. I haven't heard that this afternoon, but apparently what you have to do is if you scroll down the page, you'll see the problems further down the page. I don't know what their problem was, but I haven't heard that since this morning, so maybe that was just a morning thing. All right, so it took Lily 7 seconds to ride her bike 35 meters to the end of the block. What was her speed? Oh, wait, there's that question. What was her speed? So what's the first thing I do? I write my formula. Speed is equal to distance divided by time. All right? So speed is equal to, what's my distance? 35 meters. What's my time? 7 seconds. Okay. Step 3, solve. Get your calculator. 35 divided by 7 is 5 meters per second. I'm an A student. Look how good I am.
Mr. Leonard?
Yes, Josie.
My thing doesn't look like yours. Like the words and stuff doesn't look like yours.
Do you have that document open, the speed calculation practice?
Yes.